Good day, here's the latest news for today. As of October 6, 2020, the province of Misamis Oriental has already breached the 500 mark as it now has a total of 502 total confirmed cases of COVID-19. Here is Jebsen Patlunag with the details.
Yes, Gian, on the said date, 21 new cases consisting of 18 local transmissions, 1 local case with travel history, 1 ROF, and 1 APOR have been recorded by the Provincial Task Force. Sadly, of these 21 new cases, 2 have been reported dead. In total, the province now has 303 active cases after 2 deaths were also recorded. But despite the increase in number of active cases, the province has 194 total number of recoveries from the deadly virus, a ray of positivity and light amidst the rising number of cases. It is important for all of us to stay informed of the latest developments regarding COVID-19, not only to be aware but also to abide by the rules and minimum health protocols set by the IATF to keep our community healthy and safe. This is Jebsen Patlunag, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Gian?
Thanks, Jebsen. In another development, on Wednesday, October 7, 2020, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental, headed by Governor Bambi Imano alongside the Provincial Planning and Development Office, headed by Mr. Stanley Oriarte, initiated the third meeting and discussion for the annual investment plan and supplemental budget for 2021. Ethel Ipanag will tell us more.
Yes, Gian. Also present in the meeting were Board Member Wayne Militante, Chairman on Finance Appropriations and Budget, Congressman Christian Onobia of the 1st District of Misamis Oriental, the province's municipal and city mayors, municipal planning and development coordinators, and various non-government organizations. The discussion tackled the finalization of the annual investment plan and supplemental budget for 2021. According to Mr. Oriarte, the proposed investment plan should have a solid and detailed presentation before it can be submitted to the Sangguniang Panlalawigan for ratification and to the Department of Budget and Management for budget appropriations approval from the Bayanihan as 1-2. Gian, the onset of the pandemic has made the budget approval for 2021 even more important as Governor Bambi Imano envisions a bright future for Misamisnons as he seeks to revive Misamis Oriental's economy. This is Ethel Ipanag, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Gian.
And that's the latest story for today. For more updates, please visit the Misamis Oriental Provincial Information Office Facebook page. I'm Gian Elbambo. Good day.